So I'm gonna find out how I can piece these vlogs together for y'all. Y'all, I done gained so much weight, and that's another reason why I haven't been vlogging, because I don't like the size that I am. Like I'm not horribly fat, you know what I'm saying, but I'm definitely bigger than I was. Like, pants is holding this in. Like I'm big and I ain't liking it, you know. Body is there, but here is the nails. We got some more Lifo. I want to go back duck with it. Oh, these are cute. So I got the glass tips duck nails, and they got flowers in it. I don't even know if you could tell that they're glass tip. Let me see. Okay, so yeah, you can tell. I'm about to, I don't want to work out, but I feel like I'm about to work out. So yeah, I'm about to just work out and get it over with, and then shower and then eat my soup. Okay, y'all, so it's like 9 something. I was getting ready to go to bed, but I said, let me just show y'all what I got from TikTok shop. So hold on. So I got the viral kiss spray. So we're gonna see if this hold up. I got this cute little sweater. I'm gonna wash all this stuff before I wear it though. And this is mad cute. I got it nice and big. It smells like chemicals. That's adorable. And then I got a little t-shirt. It's looking like it's a crop top though. It wasn't a crop top on the God Don't Play About Me. And then I got this 2-piece set. It's literally just like some stretchy pants. And then the shirt says Los Angeles. So it just looked real cute. I felt like this was real cute. My little tan sandals like I from TikTok shop. But I also seen this, y'all. I didn't realize this until after I bought it, but it's supposed to be like a fake knockoff Marc Jacobs, because you know they got the tote bag. I didn't know they had a bucket bag. I just thought this was mad cute. I seen it in Beloved's store when she was going live. And I'm like, oh, this is cute, I want it. So, yes. But apparently this is a knockoff of Marc Jacobs. But I love it though, so I mean, it comes with a long strap if you want to do that. And the inside is just regular burgundy. Ain't no zipper, but it is like a little pocket on the side. There's 2 little pockets on the side. So, I felt like this would be a good everyday bag. That is all I got from the TikTok shop. And I'm about to chill out, watch some TV. And I'll get back with y'all tomorrow. Look where I done end up. Ain't got no business in here. Ain't got no business in here. Okay. Okay. I'm really just looking for a painting. I know y'all see this double chin. I have started working out, okay? Just give your girl some time. Give your girl some time. I have started working out, okay? Why would you walk straight to the furniture? My budget in this store is $10. I just want to see if they got some cute paintings that might go on my bed. So y'all, God is good. I'm going to take this as a blessing. I went in a thrift store to get a painting. I was going to find a painting. I told y'all. Oh, God is good. I just realized that. I said, my budget in here is $10, right? Okay. Now, y'all ain't going to see it until we get home, but I have my TV on a box. Granted, I love the box. I said, I'm going to decorate the box. That was, that was it. No thought. So, I go in there. I see a cute TV stand. Very nice. And that's the type of thrift store. They have a set price. And if it's not sold by a certain date, it goes lower. And then if it's not sold by that day, it goes lower until it's like $5. So, I see a TV stand. It's mad cute. It say, if it ain't such and such by March 7th, it's $5. Okay, so y'all already know it's March 29th. So, that the TV stand was $5. So, bam. I'm like, yeah, I want it. Right? Cool beans. They getting it together for me. I paid the $5. They told me pull it around the side. They gonna get me together. I pull around the side. Now, they shouldn't have had this old lady going to get it. But anyway, they had the old lady pulling the TV stand. The girl takes all the glass off of the TV stand. And then she tells her, it's one more at the top. I guess the older lady did not hear her. And she proceeds to just pick it up. So she just picks it up and the top glass falls and shatters. And it's just like, ah. And they just like, oh, we're so sorry. Pick whatever you want. Now, mind you, I did not want anything else. How much is this? I just wanted, how much is this picture? What's this say? $20 to $24. Okay. So, anyway, let me tell the story. Okay, so they like, you just take whatever you want, have whatever you want, we're so sorry. And they like looking around, do you see anything? I didn't want anything. I only wanted the paintings. They didn't have any painting that I liked. And the only thing in there that I seen that I would have liked was a TV stand. So I'm like, no, I don't really want it. So she like, you got your money back. You can just have your money back. Take the stand. You can have your money back. There. I'm like, all right, that's cool. And I'm like, yeah, I'm going to take the stand. I still want the stand. But, I can have my money back. Priceless. Great. Cool. So, I got the stand. It did lose the glass, but it came with 3 of the glasses. So, I feel like that's totally fine. So, I got the TV stand for free. So, I'm like, thank you, God. I just thought that was awesome. But I stopped in. I am in Gabe's right now. I saw a cheap painting. I don't really see anything in here that I would want over my bed, so I'm about to head on home, to be honest with you. Might as well stop in here. Oh, I gotta go to the grocery store. I'm gonna go to the grocery store and get stuff I'm making roast tonight. And I also think it was a spur of the moment. I'm in the mood, so I'm gonna do it. But I think I'm gonna finish my kitchen tonight. And that's what made me get the TV stand. So I said, okay, we decorating the house now, so let me do that. That was that. That was the story. Oh, I have on the duckies from Loveful Nails. They're cute. I like them. I don't know. I've had them on for like 2 weeks, so I'm over it. Oh, hey, y'all. I'm having one of them nights where I just feel like I'm not going to record anymore. Because what? So basically, I got the TV stand. I was going to show y'all when I got home and wiped it down and everything. But, yeah, I was carrying the TV stand and I was setting it down. And it just, bang, smacked right in my face. Broke skin wide. Had me bleeding, okay? So, what I'm going to do is show y'all what I'm about to do. And I'm going to just do it and I'm going to come back when it's done. So, this is the TV stand. You can't even see it. This is the TV stand. It's like the shelves are glass, but as y'all can see, that's wood. I'm pointing that out because I'm about to change that. Okay, y'all. After some trial, some error, I was able to put that wrapping paper on a TV stand. I showed y'all the TV stand. I just gave y'all a little glimpse. I showed y'all the TV stand before I wrapped it, and I'm about to show it to y'all now. Okay, so also I got one of these little stands, from a dollar store. They're like $5. It's not no hard top on there, so I bought a black foam board and then I just wrapped it with the same stuff. So let me turn this around. Okay, yeah, so I just bought a black foam board and I just wrapped it with the same contact paper. I got this contact paper from the Dollar Tree. It's $1.25 per roll. These are some of the little extra suction cups. Okay, so here is the TV stand. She is a beauty. Hey, honey. Did I show y'all the box before? I'm sure it's somewhere. I got a picture. Okay, so all I did was wrap the edge I wrapped the edge in it, and then I wrapped the back in it, and then I wrapped the edge in it, and then I wrapped the back down there. My room is coming together, y'all. I'm doing it slowly but surely, so bear with me. But no, TV stand was literally free, and a contact paper was $1.25. So it cost me $1.25 to get that look. I'm gonna slowly but surely start decorating my home because I said I'm gonna stay. Here's the box, y'all. This is the box that my TV was on. Don't mind my shadow. But that is the box that my TV was on, and I had no plans on buying a TV stand at all. So for me to walk in there looking for a picture and then come out with a free TV stand, all because she broke one of the glass. And to be honest, could you tell that it's a glass missing? Could y'all tell that it's a glass missing? No. So I just got a free TV stand. Bam. It's nice. So I just hung my photo, y'all. It is crooked, but y'all ain't gonna be able to tell. But either I'm tired or it's crooked. But this is what it looks like up close. It's literally just fall time, a beautiful rocky river, just God's creation. Right now it looks crazy, but the more I decorate, the better it's gonna look. I love that photo up there. Y'all, I absolutely love this TV stand. So I'm about to just straighten this up, put this up, and then I'm gonna go sit down. I might just be done for the night, or I don't know. It's a little too late to put my food away, obviously, so. But I'm not tired, so that's good. But I will talk to y'all in a second.